Can you say hi, Eric? Can you say hi?
Yeah, Mom's got this all taped together. Oh my goodness, look at you climb up there. You couldn't do that last time I was here. You know that, Eric? You want to sit down? That's a good idea. You went up there? You went up there with your brother? Careful. Share. Eric, share with your sister.
Nope, he's off and running.
Oh, he's fussing at me. Your sister.
No, she's saying share sister.
Share sister. I thought that's what she said the first time. Nana's going to have to buy a new jumper rope. I got a jumper rope especially for them, but I couldn't find it.
But it ripped.
What? It ripped, yes. Nana will have to buy a new one, but that's okay. I'll buy you a new one.
Eric, can you say hi?
Come here, little one.
Bye. Say hi, people. Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi, everybody. Timber. Say hi, everybody. Hi.
I got it!
Big boy.
I got it!
Look at your big brother.
Say hi, everybody.
Look how big you are. And look how big you are.
Can you say hi, Hannah?
I know.
Hi,
You're growing
Ina.
up, aren't you? You're still little? How old are you, Eric?
Where? There's Eric. See?
Are you 4?
See Eric?
Eric, are you 4 years old? How? What's that? 3? That many?
It's Nana,
How old
yeah.
is Carol?
Yeah. Who's that?
2?
Who's that? That's right. He's right there.
Who is that? Eric? In the picture? Let me
Let
see.
you see?
He's in the park.
Look, it's Sissy.